Hello, my name is Ruth, and I would like to help you learn new words in English. Join me next for Hello Word Power on Hello Channel. This is Hello Channel. Hello and welcome to Hello Word Power. I'm Ruth Todd, and today we're learning words in English that begin with the letter W. Say W. That's correct, W. W is a consonant. It always makes the same sound. This is the sound. W. W. Try it. W. Are you ready to begin learning words that begin with the letter W? Let's start. Wish, wish, wish. Now you say it, wish. Say it again, wish. One more time, wish. That's correct. Wish means to want or express a desire for. The genie in the story granted the boy his wish. I wish I had a baby brother. Wish. With, with, with. Now you say it, with. Say it again, with. That's correct. Well done. With means along or by the side of. They are invited to come with us to the party. Will you go with me the first day of school? I would like to play with a friend. With. Withdraw. 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 Now you say it. Withdraw. Yes, very good. Please repeat. Withdraw. Withdraw. Well done. Withdraw means to take or move out. The man wanted to withdraw money from the bank. After I hurt my leg, I had to withdraw from the running race. Withdraw. Without. 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 Now you say it. Without. Say it again. Without. One more time. Without. Well done. Without means not having or using. We could not drive without fixing the flat tire. We cannot eat because I am without food. Without. Witness. 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 Now you say it. Witness. Yes, say it again. Witness. Again, witness. That's correct. Well done. A witness is somebody who saw and can tell about an action or an event. The witness saw the accident and went to court to tell their side of the story. I was a witness to the crime. Witness. Woman. 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 Now you say it. Woman. Repeat. Woman. One more time. Woman. That's correct. Well done. A woman is an adult female human. The woman had long brown hair. My mother is a woman. Say it one more time. Woman. That's correct. Wonder. 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 Now you say it. Wonder. Say it again. Wonder. That's correct. Wonder means to ask oneself a question. She wondered what the best answer was. I wonder what time my friend will come to my house. I wonder if that's a good idea. Wonder. Say it again. Wonder. Would. 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 Now you say it, would. Say it again, would. That's correct, well done. Wood is a solid material. Trees are made of wood. The house was built with wood. Wood. We'll be right back after a short break with more Hello Word Power.
Hello, my name is Javier. I learned English. So can you. Watch Hello channel.
Welcome back to Hello Word Power. Are you ready to learn more words in English? Let's begin. Word, word, word. Now you say it, word. Say it again, word. Well done. A word is one or more connected sounds that form a single part of a language. There were many words on each page of the book. We use words to speak our language. It is fun to learn many words in English. Word. You say it, word. Correct. Work, work, work. Now it's your turn. Say work. Say it again, work. That's correct. Well done. Work means to use physical or mental effort to do something. They had to work hard to dig the hole. Learning English is hard work. Work. World, world, world. Now you say it, world. Please repeat, world. That's correct, world. World means the earth and all the people on the earth. The world is a beautiful place. We all live in this world. World. Worry, worry, worry. Say it with me, worry. Say it again, worry. One more time, worry. Yes, well done. Worry means to be concerned or think something bad might happen. A mother will always worry about her children. Don't worry, we can fix the problem. Worry. Worse, worse, worse. Now you say it, worse. Say it one more time, worse. That's correct. Worse means the situation is more bad than before. His headache became worse because he didn't get any sleep. Worse. Worth, worth, worth. Now you say it, worth. Say it again, worth. One more time, worth. Well done. Worth is the value of something measured in money. She wanted to know the worth of her house. Her gold bracelet was worth a lot of money. Worth. Wound, wound, wound. Please say it with me, wound. One more time, wound. Yes, wound, that's correct. Wound means to injure or cause damage to a person or animal. The man had a wound from the motorcycle accident. The doctor had to stitch up the wound. Wound. Wreck, wreck, wreck. Now you say it, wreck. Say it again, wreck. Correct. One more time, wreck. That's right. Wreck means to damage or destroy something. You have to be careful when you drive in bad weather so you don't wreck your car. Please don't make a wreck of this house. I have just cleaned it. Wreck. We'll be right back after a short break with more Hello Word Power.
Just say.
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 Hello.
Welcome back to Hello Word Power. Are you ready to learn more words in English? Let's begin. Warehouse. 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 Now you say it. Warehouse. Again, warehouse. Yes, one more time. Warehouse. Correct. A warehouse is a building, usually large in size, where materials, goods, and products are all stored before export or distribution for sale. After 6 months of slow sales, the warehouse is still full of unsold merchandise. A warehouse can also be a large wholesale or retail store. Many people prefer to shop at the discount warehouse because the prices are lower than retail stores. Say it again, warehouse. That's correct. Warm. 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 Now you try it. Say warm. Let's say it together. Warm. Now you say it one more time. Say warm. Yes, that's right. Warm has several meanings. Warm can mean at a fairly or comfortably high temperature. It is a warm night, so I will not need a sweater or jacket. Warm can also refer to clothing that is made of material that helps a body retain heat. Julie needs to wear a warm winter coat on snowy days. Warm can also describe a person who shows or expresses enthusiasm, kindness, or affection. Anne is a warm person and has many friends. Say it again, warm. Correct. Wash. 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 You try it. Say wash. Again, wash. One more time. Wash. That's correct. Wash has several meanings. Wash means to clean something, typically with soap and water. After the storm, Frank needs to wash the mud and rain spots off of his car. Or Mother asks us to wash our hands before coming to the dinner table. Wash can also refer to the job or the chore of cleaning the linens, clothes, or other fabric items in a home. I do the wash every Tuesday at my house. Wash is also removing a stain or dirt from clothing, linens, or other items. Ketchup and wine stains are very difficult to wash out of the tablecloth. Say it again, wash. Yes, that's right. We'll be right back after a short break with more Hello Word Power.
Thanks for watching Hello Channel. Learn the language of the internet, travel, commerce, and diplomacy. Watch Hello Channel and learn English. Do it for yourself.
Welcome back to Hello Word Power. Are you ready to learn more words in English? Let's begin. Water. 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 Now you say it. Water. Yes, again, water. One more time. Water. Yes, that's right. Water is a colorless, tasteless, transparent, odorless fluid that forms the seas, oceans, rivers, and lakes. Water is the basic fluid for all living organisms. Without water, living things would die. My doctor tells me to drink 8 glasses of water each day. Say it again. Water. Yes, well done. Week, week, week. You say it, week. Again, week. One more time, week. Yes, that's right, weak. Weak has several meanings. Weak means lacking in physical strength. If you are weak, it means you lack the power to physically do demanding tasks. Lauren feels weak after having the flu for several days. Or Jim is too weak to lift the heavy boxes. Weak can also mean of a low standard or performing badly. The soloist in the musical production is a weak singer. Weak can also mean lacking in brightness or intensity. The old street lamp gives off a weak light. Say it again, weak. Yes, that's right. Well done. You did very well today. Now, practice some of the new words you learned on Hello Word Power. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.